Hello everyone! Long time no see you. I'm back to you because lately I got contacted by a brand which is a Swedish brand which is called Gaston Luga and is producing bags, mainly backpacks. And they asked me if I wanted to collaborate with them and show you guys what their product is about. So as you know, I've never collaborated with an actual product. I decided to say yes because by researching on the brand, I first felt very proud to introduce you to a brand that is Swedish, as I'm living in Sweden and I know how much here they focus on quality, on practicity, design, so I felt very excited about it. And also this brand is very famous in Japan, and as you know guys, I am pretty obsessed with Japan because also of their minimalism and their passion on what's good, what's quality, so it's kind of connected with the Swedish society, let's say. Yeah, I'm trying to become as much as possible minimalist. I've just been to Greece and I actually traveled there for 5 days just with a hand luggage. So my goal it will be in the future to travel for as much time, let's say 5 days, 1 week, with a little backpack. So I have here the bag. I'm gonna do an unboxing for you, and I didn't check any other unboxing video on YouTube to not make myself conditioned by what other people say. So I thought that I'm just gonna give you a very genuine review, and as you see it's completely sealed, so I didn't see it yet. So my first reaction is gonna be super spontaneous. Let's get cracking. Let's see if I manage to open it without scissors. So it came, the bag, with a little travel necessaire, and this is actually an offer that they have until the 15th of November for everyone. If you buy a bag, you get a little travel necessaire, which I thought is a pretty cool thing, in particular because those are backpacks, so they are more like day bags. But I like the fact that with the necessaire, they already think that one can use it as a travel bag. Okay, so in the meanwhile my camera died and the sun came out, so we have a different lighting, but I hope that's not gonna bother you too much. Yeah, what I was gonna say is that I love that it's this see-through travel necessaire, so you can see exactly everything that is in there, and it has this very nice detail where it says Gaston Luga, Stockholm, Sweden. And then we have the actual goodie one. It comes with its own pouch. It's actually 100% vegan leather, which I think is not a bad thing. Oh my god, it's actually super nice. Look how lovely minimal it is. So nice. Wow, I'm impressed. And I love the gold detailing because I am more of a gold detail girl rather than a silver one. It has its own tag. It has this pocket in the back where you can store like passport or transport card or whatever it is. It's really beautiful, I gotta admit. Very nicely lined inside as well, with another pocket. I feel this is a very good pocket actually for storage, as a storage for the iPad. I'm gonna do a test. I will get my laptop and see how it fits in here. Alright, so great news. The pouch that I thought that it would just simply my iPad actually fits my whole laptop. So this is definitely a perfect day bag. As you see, my laptop, my MacBook, and there is so much space left to many other things. So this is fantastic, I think, and yeah, again, it feels very nice. It feels like very minimal, but still guests a lot, and it's going to be very exciting to see if I manage to use it as a travel bag, actually. So I have good news for you. For the next 90 days, if you write Clässy on checkout, you get 15% discount. So remember that also until the 15th of November you get the nice necessaire, so you could combine the two things. And there is also free shipping and returns to Sweden, at least. I'm not sure how it's for the rest of Europe, but check it out on the website. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will let you know how this bag works on a daily basis, how it works for traveling, and but definitely the first impression, it's really good. Very happy with it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.